If you're choosing between Runway and Pika, this isn't just AI video generator versus AI video generator. It's professional editing versus fast content creation. So, which one is actually better? Let's break it down. Runway is built for creators who want advanced AI video editing, text-to-video generation, in painting, motion tracking, and professional production tools. That makes it a favorite among filmmakers, marketers, and creative professionals. But here's the catch. It has a steeper learning curve, and some of the best features require a paid plan. Pika takes a different approach. It's designed to generate short, creative videos quickly from text or images with a simple interface. That makes it ideal for beginners, social media creators, and anyone who wants results in minutes. The downside is that it offers fewer advanced editing tools than Runway. So, which AI video generator is better? Choose Runway if you want advanced editing tools and greater creative control. Choose Pika if you want fast, beginner-friendly video generation for social media and quick content creation. Bottom line, Runway is the better choice for most serious creators because it offers a more complete AI video workflow. But if you simply want to generate eye-catching videos as quickly as possible, Pika is hard to beat. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.